North London Collegiate School Dubai is a place where students are encouraged to think beyond the classroom and embrace a global perspective. At NLCS Dubai, we are empowered to become global citizens, and one way we achieve this is through our Model United Nations ECA program.
The MUN program is a transformative experience, allowing us to step into the shoes of world leaders, address complex global issues, and hone our public speaking and diplomacy skills. We are delighted to announce that in June, we will be hosting our first ever MUN conference.
From June 16th to 18th, talented students from across the region will come together to engage in passionate debates, negotiations, and find solutions to some of the world's most pressing problems. If you'd like to participate, we invite you to register at nlcsdmun.com.